I'm John Collins. I want to talk to you a little bit about workers' compensation. If you've been injured on the job and you need to talk to an attorney, I want to recommend Ratto Law. Here today is Anthony Ratto. What's the biggest thing most people do wrong?
Yeah, they don't pay attention to the papers that they get.
I don't want to read that stuff.
No.
It's an avalanche of stuff coming at me.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
No, I think that's part of the plan. But no, seriously, there's a lot of important information that is conveyed early in a bunch of letters that people get, and they just don't pay attention. It's just hard to keep up with all that stuff.
Well, you've been doing this 28 years, so you know what that letter's going to say before the guy even reads it anyway, right?
Right. They're basically form letters, and they say the same thing every time. But every time, you can fall behind and put yourself in a very poor position if you don't follow the instructions.
And the insurance companies, they're really looking out for themselves here. So you kind of need somebody to help look out for you a little bit in this transaction.
They might seem like they want to help you, but really those adjusters are working for the company.
Now, there are a lot of little things, the detail stuff, like how much mileage that you should get going to and from a doctor's office.
Yeah, it can be simple. It can be small things like that. But we all know these days, 50 cents a mile, it adds up. You can lose a lot of benefits if you don't pay attention.
And employers aren't the bad guy here, right? I mean, they've just maybe hired somebody that's being a little too aggressive on their behalf a lot of times.
Well, the insurance companies are in it for a profit. And, the employers, I think most people like their employers, so that's not the problem.
Even if you've been denied by an insurance company, it's still okay to call somebody like you. And
Sure.
Ratto Law they do that when other folks won't, right?
Right. I think that a lot of lawyers don't want to take the denied case, but frankly, I think that most of those cases turn out to be valid claims.
Well, if you want to have somebody who's knowledgeable, who's been around the Bay Area 28 years in your corner, give Ratto Law a call at 510-444-4600 or go to rattolaw.com. Thanks, Anthony, for coming in today.
Thank you.
This segment is sponsored by Ratto Law Firm.